You're just gonna get a lot of reflection.
I know.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you gonna say to your viewers?
Hello viewers, I'm gonna sneeze.
Coronavirus!
No, I'm just joking.
What are you doing?
Can you see clearly?
Yeah, I can see clearly now because there's no rain.
Hello everyone, it's JD here, and today we're going on a cruise. It is a nice spring day out in Melbourne. It's about 17 degrees, no rain, and we are heading down to Apollo Bay, which is really close to the South Australia border. I'm gonna let the crew that we're with like about 6 cars, just get in front of us so we can get some shots of them cruising around the hills. It's going to be a cool drive. It's going to be about 4 hours worth of entertainment, and we're just going to have a chill. Today is a chill day, and I think we all deserve a bit of fun in this whole pandemic. So yeah, that's where we're at today, and now enjoy the video.
I like recording pretty things.
Oh, that's why you're recording me.
No, it's not a good view.
Oh, it's a great view. Look at that. It looks
No,
like
it's a
we're
view
flying.
of your face.
We're practically
It's a view of your face. Look at that.
my face looks like looks like we're flying. Now I'm gonna just speed up here.
Yeah, hi, Civic.
Okay, now it's telling us we need to get back onto the highway, but we're on the highway.
And I get a good thing.
Look, it thinks we're off the highway already.
A lighting low.
Yeah, I know. My brightness is down. I'm not even gonna try. Oh Jesus! Look at that. Oof. I think my maps was actually correct for once. Look at that. It says that there's heavy traffic apparently.
Oh, I see the red.
Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Oh, look at it. Here comes Nathan. Ready.
Is that actually 100? Okay.
Why are they getting off early? Oh yeah, there's nothing here apparently. See, we got off onto the wrong side of the road. Why did I go for the outbound? Okay, so I got the wrong one on here. So apparently we're going to the outbound one, which is early, but it's a good stop nonetheless. Hello. What are you doing?
Yes. Can I trade you use my GoPro for Josie?
That would be good because my GoPro is completely flat and the charger doesn't work on it. But you have to send me the footage though. But thank you.
You're welcome.
Great Ocean Road. Now, because I know that Marianne's probably going to be looking through my footage right now because I'm borrowing her GoPro. Hello, welcome to the fun show. We are going to be chilling on this long ass road. I'm sorry if I'm wearing out your GoPro, but yeah. I wish that my one would have charged last night so that I could actually go on this adventure. little bit of a fun fact, the lighthouse that is in the background, I don't know if you can see it from here, but that is the lighthouse that was used on Around the Twist, which is a very popular Australian TV show that was on ABC back in the, I think, late 80s, early 90s, and all the way up until the 2000s, the early 2000s. So it was a pretty good show, and that is the most iconic lighthouse in Melbourne, from what I know. Oh, speaking of the sign to Great Ocean Road, this is the sign to Great Ocean Road. Wow, I am so lost. Cool. Welcome to the Great Ocean Road, take 5. There's a pull-off point. I think Nathan's getting mad. I can sense the fury in Nathan's eyes right now. This is the one thing, this is his pet peeve. His pet peeve is when we want to go speed limit and people are going slow and they don't take the slow exit. Like, boy, we don't like this. Hey, it's 80 zone. We're going 80? No, we're going 60. 65. Just under 70 now. We're going 70. Yay! Look at this. Now we're going 50. Where? Boy, I wanna go. I wanna go! Another slow turnout, and yet no slow. We are literally tailing this guy. You can see how annoyed he is. He's just doing his blinkers on everything. How funny. I kind of want to copy him just because I thought it'd be funny. If he was in the FTO, that guy would have noticed by now. Oh, there's a thing in the road. He actually can turn. Do I wanna? He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. I kind of want to do it too, but get past him and get in. Do it. Good boy. There's the boy. Here comes the Peter. Wow, that was fun. Yeah, turn left, turn left. Okay, let's head out. We are heading down to Apollo Bay, which is going to be a fun 1-hour drive, and then from there we are going to cruise back to Melbourne at night, because fun. I should have taken my bags off before I sat down. Whoa, back in the car. Here we go. Welcome, boys, to the ocean, Touge. And it's about to become 80, so let's get ready. Here we are. Fun road. That's right. I cannot see shit. Better suspension eventually. Okay, here we are. Fun road. This is very tight. This is tight. I am going a little bit under the limit, but that's just because handling. I'll let him lead after the next thing. That's not really a proper turn off. Next turn off I will. Here we go. Check. Those guys can chill up there. I'm gonna sit back. I can't really keep up with them. They are very good at cornering compared to me. So I'm just taking it at my speed.